All right, we are back to gather bulls. Different truck. I don't think Cookie will try and get through there, but we're still waiting on Corey, but he's not that far away. We saw him. He's going to get fuel. So anyways, Kaylin will be on Andy. I will be on hot sauce, and I'm sure Corey will be on blue duck. All right, here comes Corey. Big trailer, one horse in it, because that's Horse City Cowboys on. He's in barrel racer land. God still loves you barrel racers, don't worry. Okay, we're gonna back up here. This tiny little pen, the bulls all go in. I mean, they're so good. But we had a blizzard here, and when we got here, everything was twisted and upside down. The wind had really messed with this, our tiny little corral. But the bulls just see the bus usually, and they're like, oh, time to get on the bus. All right, hot sauce is gonna help me today. Andy's behind me. But hot sauce she's kind of photogenic. She doesn't mind when we take her picture. Do you? No. All right, we are saddled. Corey's here. Trailer's backed up. You have a broken foot? Oh no. From work or from
rodeo school?
Rodeo. Oh really? Darn it.
I ain't taking that one.
We're going up there. The one that kicked you?
The one that kicked my butt in the shoe.
Oh no. Not cool, man. All right, we're going to get him.
He's lucky to be.
All right, there goes. I don't know if you can see, but whoop. Corey and Blue Duck's pushing the cows away because we don't need them right now. And then we'll just wait here and we'll start pushing these cows, or these bulls, sorry. The bulls back front. We gotta go get those two because I know the one black one's going over there. I know that one's going. I don't know about the other one, but anyways, we'll push them back over here and then back to the trailers. So Corey's, I wonder if I should go over there and help him because he's going to try and get him up into that one corner. So sorry, my horse has decided it wants to be with another horse. Okay, I got to go get these bulls because they're heading for the cow. Let's see if we can do this without dropping my phone. Oh, do I jump the snow? She says. Gotta get on this side of it, girl. There we go. Good girl. Now, so we'll just lay back and let them group back up with them, and now I don't have to run. Just go slow. We'll probably head, so they're heading towards the water, so we'll take these that way too. Anyways, when they decide they want to go, they go nicely. But when they decide they want to run away, they do that not nicely. She's wondering where Blue Duck went, but the bulls have all, yeah, the two that had separated are back with the rest of the herd, and we're gonna let them probably just hang onto this tree until we get the 4 bulls that are back there in with the cows. Corey's gonna separate them, bring them. All right, here's Corey with the 4 bulls that are heading in the right direction, which is good, but he says we gotta go back because there's a bull that got out up in there. So after we get everybody loaded, we'll have to come back and get that bull. All right, almost to the bus. They're all doing pretty good. Let's see if they want to drink, because this is the water. Usually they just go by it, but we want to give them a chance in case they do want to drink before we get them on the bus. They don't have very far. They only got to go like 25 miles from here, and then they get off. And they get food and water there. But see if hot sauce wants to drink. Hot sauce thinks it might eat her. they're gonna make a run for it. This is where they try it. But it looks like blue duck's gonna stop them. There we go. And there's one high-horn brindle in there. He just jumps right on the trailer, and a lot of times they just follow him right after that. See if I can get it. Yeah, that was hard. Okay. Double trouble. That's the one that's back here. He's like, I don't know. Let's just stay out here. I just jump right on the bus. All right, Corey. Those are the bulls we didn't need.
Yep.
The ones we do need are in there. So what are we going back out for?
Well, that one, I think that's way out there was out.
So he's in now, but he thought he might be out. That black one way up there. And we're gonna go see if the fence is tore down somewhere. We gotta go check that. So that's what we're doing there. Yeah. There's Corey on Blue Duck. There's Kaylin on Andy. And I am on Miss Hot Sauce.